In this video, I'll show you how to buy a pizza using Bitcoin, using the CoinCard service. So to start, I went to Domino's.com, designed my pizza, added it to my shopping cart, and here I am on the checkout page. Now I chose gift card as my payment type, then I'll click place order. Now I'm on the gift card payment page. Now of course I don't actually have a Domino's gift card yet, so I'll go to CoinCard.hendricks.com. I'm going to purchase a Domino's gift card using Bitcoins. So I'll enter my address, my email address. That's the email address where the gift card will be sent. And I'll choose Domino's Pizza gift card. Now you could also choose a PayPal payment, in which case the Bitcoins are converted into dollars and sent directly to your PayPal payment or to your PayPal account. For this video, I'll choose a Domino's Pizza gift card. Now the total of my order was $17.37. Unfortunately, Domino's doesn't allow pennies in the gift card amount, so I'll round up to the next dollar, an $18 gift card. Now, when I click see the detailed prices, it'll show me that the Domino's gift card itself costs $18. There's a 36-cent convenience fee for using the service, so the total is $18.36. Convert that into Bitcoins at the current Mt. Gox exchange rate. That gives you 19.12 Bitcoins. So that's exactly what I want to do. It seems like a good price, 19.12 Bitcoins. So I'll click continue. And that generates me a new Bitcoin address. Now I'm using the Chrome Bitcoin extension, so the address turns into a link. And I'll just click that link and tell it to send the 19.12 Bitcoins. I'll click send. Alright, so the Bitcoins are on their way. Now I'll click this link here, I've sent payment. So it shows me that they've received my Bitcoins and have to wait for a couple confirmation blocks. So I will pause the video so we don't have to all wait for that. So I've waited for the confirmation blocks and I refreshed the status screen a couple times. And now that the confirmation blocks have finished, it shows that the order is completed and that I can expect my Domino's Pizza gift card in a couple minutes. Now, as well as getting the status screen update, CoinCard sent me an email letting me know that the card has shipped. So that means that CoinCard has purchased the gift card from Domino's, sending it to my address. But now we have to wait for Domino's to finish the processing of the gift card on their side, and that can take up to 5 minutes or so, depending on how long it takes them to go through all the stuff they need to do on their side. So I'll pause the video again and wait for Domino's to send the gift card. So Domino's sent me the gift card. Here's the email that they send me. When I click on this link, it brings up a confirmation page on Domino's where I can get the details about my card. The gift card is down there. You can use it either online to order, like we're doing in the video, or you can print it out and take it to a store. So now I'll go back to the order page, put in my gift card number, my PIN number, and click place order, and have my pizza as soon as it's ready. So hopefully that's shown you the basic process for how CoinCard works. Remember that we also will send PayPal payments, and hopefully we'll add some additional gift cards here. One extra feature I didn't show you is you can specify a certain number of Bitcoins. For instance, if I had just finished mining a block, I could say that I wanted to get a gift card for 50 Bitcoins worth, and that'll be converted into the US dollars and that much money put onto the gift card or sent to my PayPal account. So that's the new service, and hope you'll give it a try.